morning students. Good morning students. Today we are going to start 5th class term 1 English subject. So we have seen our second lesson, voyage into the unknown. Voyage means a long journey by sea or someone who travels a new place or unknown land to find more about that place. So we have seen in that lesson that Vasco da Gama find out the sea route from Portugal to India. So today we will see the objective of this lesson. First bit is true or false. Esteve was successful in finding a sea route to India. Who is Esteve here? Vasco da Gama's father. So he did not find out the sea route from Portugal to India. It is false because he started a journey, but in between that journey he died. Vasco da Gama thought that the sea route from Portugal to India did not exist. False, because he tried the sea route and he succeeded in that journey. Next, third one, it took Vasco da Gama 5 months to reach Cape of Good Hope. It is true. Vasco da Gama took 1 year to reach India from Africa. False. Vasco da Gama died in his country. False, because he died in India. First he find out the sea route from Portugal to India, and next again after finding out the sea route from India to Portugal, he went to Portugal and again he came to India and there he died. So our next bit is fill in the blanks with a or an. So we will see why we have to use a or an. A and an are called indefinite articles. A used before words that begin with consonant or a consonant sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Apart from vowels, remaining letters are called consonants. So example, a man, a fox, a rainbow, a European city, a university. An is used before words. So an is used before words that begin with a vowel or a vowel sound. It is also used with words that begin with a silent H. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So 5 letters are called vowels. Or an is used before a word begin with a silent H. Example, an egg, an umbrella, an apple, an hour. So egg means EGG, egg we will write spelling. So E is an vowel, U is an vowel and A is an vowel. Here they have given hour. So we will pronounce like hour. So here we have to keep H silent. So we have to pronounce like hour. So we will fill the blanks now. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Sparsh is an honest boy. Here we have to keep the H silent and we have to pronounce honest. My father studied in a university in London. Mirza drew a unicorn yesterday. John has a toy ship. Our neighbor's garden has a mango tree. So next bit, insert a or an where necessary and rewrite these sentences. So they have given some sentences. We have to insert a or an and we have to rewrite these sentences. So I will read out the question first. My parents have bought a house. My parents have bought house here. So we have to insert a. My parents have bought a house here, because house here H is a consonant. So we have to write a. A uniform should always be clean and smart. A uniform. Can elephant and mouse be friends? Here elephant is elephant. In elephant E is an vowel. So we have to use an and mouse be friends. My father is an engineer and my mother is a pilot. Here we are using an because E is a vowel and here P is a consonant. So we are using a. I had sandwich and an orange for lunch today. Here an orange and using before orange we are using an. Why? Because O is a vowel. So these are the sentences you have to rewrite. So next bit is fill in the blanks with words from the box. So in this box they have given some words. By using these words we have to fill. So dash a horse, riding a horse, flying an aircraft, climbing a mountain, crossing a river, sailing a ship, driving a car. So our last bit is they have given railway reservation form. So here K1 uncle has forgotten to bring his glasses. So we have to help him to in filling his form. So they have given these details in the paragraphs. We have to fill this form. Train number, we have to search in this. We have to search train number. Here they have given 12671. We have to write 12671. From K1 uncle wants to travel from Chennai to Coimbatore. Here from Chennai to Coimbatore. Next, on which date? 16th October. Here we have to write date of journey means 16/10/2018. And next, name of passengers along with K1 uncle. His 13-year-old daughter is going. So name of passengers, two passengers are there. K1 Richard and Sheila David. K1 Richard is male, Sheila David is female, and K1 uncle age is 63. Here 13-year-old is Sheila. So we have to write 13-year-old. Next, which class? So class we have to write. So K1 is saying that I wish to travel by second class. So we have to write second class here. So last one is contact address. We have to write K1 uncle's contact address. Here they have given my address is 23 Gandhi Road, Chennai 600033. Contact address 23 Gandhi Road, Chennai 600033. They have given. Now we have to write phone number and signature. Here you can see they have given phone number and we have to write signature K1 Richard. So I hope you have understood the objective of this lesson. So today's homework is you have to fill the railway reservation form. And you have to learn the definitions of indefinite articles and you have to write these two bits. Thank you.